Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. How does AWS IoT Device Defender contribute to IoT device security? By optimizing data processing. By enhancing network connectivity. By managing device registrations. By providing continuous monitoring and alerting. Continuous monitoring and alerting by AWS IoT Device Defender contribute significantly to IoT device security. What is the benefit of integrating AWS IoT Device Defender with AWS Lambda? Automated response to security issues. Improved data storage. Enhanced data processing. Optimized device connectivity. Integrating with AWS Lambda allows for automated responses to security issues detected by AWS IoT Device Defender. How does AWS IoT Device Defender integrate with AWS CloudWatch? By sending metrics and logs for monitoring. By updating device firmware. By storing data securely. By managing IoT applications. AWS IoT Device Defender sends metrics and logs to AWS CloudWatch for continuous monitoring and alerting. How often can AWS IoT Device Defender perform audits? Daily. Once per hour. Weekly. As frequently as every 5 minutes. AWS IoT Device Defender can perform audits as frequently as every 5 minutes to ensure continuous security. What is the benefit of using AWS IoT Device Defender's audit reports? They improve data storage efficiency. They reduce operational costs. They help in identifying compliance gaps. They enhance device connectivity. Audit reports help identify compliance gaps and ensure adherence to security best practices. How can AWS IoT Device Defender improve IoT security posture? By regularly auditing security policies and monitoring device behavior. By optimizing device performance. By increasing device connectivity. By reducing data storage costs. AWS IoT Device Defender improves IoT security posture through regular audits and monitoring of device behavior. Can AWS IoT Device Defender help in compliance reporting? No, it only monitors real-time data. No, it only manages device policies. Yes, by providing audit reports. Yes, by storing device data in compliance with regulations. AWS IoT Device Defender helps in compliance reporting by providing audit reports on device security status. Which AWS service can be integrated with AWS IoT Device Defender for data analysis? Amazon S3. Amazon RDS. AWS Lambda. AWS IoT Analytics. AWS IoT Analytics can be integrated for in-depth data analysis alongside AWS IoT Device Defender. What type of alerts can AWS IoT Device Defender generate? Security alerts based on detected anomalies. Performance alerts based on device speed. Storage alerts based on data usage. Connection alerts based on network status. AWS IoT Device Defender generates security alerts when anomalies are detected in device behavior. What is the significance of behavioral monitoring in AWS IoT Device Defender? It improves data storage efficiency. It automates firmware updates. It helps detect deviations from normal device behavior. It enhances device connectivity. Behavioral monitoring helps in detecting deviations from normal device behavior, indicating potential security threats. What is the primary purpose of AWS IoT Device Defender? To secure IoT devices by detecting and mitigating security issues. To manage IoT device fleets. To store IoT device data in the cloud. To process data from IoT devices. AWS IoT Device Defender is designed to help secure IoT devices by detecting and mitigating security issues. How does AWS IoT Device Defender handle detected threats? By transferring data to a secure location. By updating device firmware. By automatically shutting down devices. By alerting and optionally triggering mitigation actions. Detected threats are handled by alerting administrators and optionally triggering predefined mitigation actions. What does AWS IoT Device Defender use to detect anomalies in device behavior? Predefined security profiles. Customer access policies. Data storage locations. Device firmware versions. Anomalies in device behavior are detected using predefined security profiles. Which feature of AWS IoT Device Defender allows you to create custom rules for detecting anomalies? Security profiles. IoT analytics. Device shadows. AWS config. Security profiles allow you to create custom rules for detecting anomalies in device behavior. How often can AWS IoT Device Defender send alerts? Immediately upon detecting a security issue. Every hour. Once a day. Once a week. AWS IoT Device Defender can send alerts immediately upon detecting a security issue to ensure timely response. Which AWS service can AWS IoT Device Defender use to trigger mitigation actions? Amazon Aurora. Amazon EC2. AWS Lambda. Amazon DynamoDB. AWS Lambda can be used to trigger mitigation actions in response to detected security issues. What is the key benefit of using AWS IoT Device Defender's detect feature? Enhancing device connectivity. Identifying and mitigating potential security threats. Optimizing device performance. Reducing data storage costs. The detect feature helps identify and mitigate potential security threats by analyzing device behavior. Which service integration is essential for AWS IoT Device Defender alerts? Amazon S3. AWS Lambda. Amazon SNS. Amazon RDS. AWS IoT Device Defender uses Amazon SNS to send alerts when it detects a security issue. Which AWS IoT Device Defender feature helps you understand the normal operating behavior of your devices? Audit. IoT Analytics. Thing Groups. Detect. The Detect feature helps you understand the normal operating behavior by analyzing device metrics and logs. Which AWS IoT Device Defender feature helps detect unusual behavior? Automated scaling. Data aggregation. Policy enforcement. Behavioral monitoring. Behavioral monitoring helps detect unusual behavior in IoT devices, identifying potential security threats. How does AWS IoT Device Defender support regulatory compliance? By ensuring high availability of IoT services. By storing data in multiple regions. By providing audit reports and security assessments. By offering data encryption at rest. AWS IoT Device Defender supports regulatory compliance by providing audit reports and security assessments. What types of policies can AWS IoT Device Defender audit? IoT policies, device certificates, and CA certificates. IAM policies. S3 bucket policies. VPC policies. AWS IoT Device Defender audits IoT policies, device certificates, and CA certificates to detect security issues. What can you use AWS IoT Device Defender to monitor? Data storage efficiency. Device security and compliance. Device performance. Network traffic speeds. AWS IoT Device Defender is used to monitor device security and compliance with established policies. What is an example of a mitigation action that can be triggered by AWS IoT Device Defender? Upgrading device firmware. Optimizing device performance. Increasing device data storage. Revoking a device certificate. Revoking a device certificate is an example of a mitigation action to prevent a compromised device from communicating. What type of metrics can AWS IoT Device Defender collect for analysis? Customer data, user access logs, and payment information. Firmware versions, hardware models, and device temperatures. Connection attempts, data transfer rates, and error logs. Network configurations, security settings, and backup logs. AWS IoT Device Defender collects metrics such as connection attempts, data transfer rates, and error logs for analysis. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.